Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Magenta. I think that's how you say your name. I forgot to ask you when you was here. She was a new client. I opened up for Christmas to let some newbies in, just for like a one-off. And I forgot to. I wanted to know if I was saying it right, and I forgot to ask her, but I'm sure it is Magenta. So she's coming for a fresh set, so I applied my Glitter Planets tapered square tips and I shaped them into a pointy stiletto, and now I applied the clear layer, and now we're going in with design. So she wanted anything but red, and I had full rain on her nails. Is that the word? Full rain? Yeah, we'll go with it. So here we're going. I was like, we'll go for purple because purple's my favourite colour, and I haven't tried this colour yet. So this was Ultraviolet from CJP. Really easy to work with. I had to keep going in a few times just to build up the colour, but that's not a problem to me, you know. I'm using my big boy brush today. So on the middle finger here, I'm just doing a base down. It's a glitter from the Unicorn's Den. Can't completely remember. It's just like a really fine light gold. It's really stunning, to be fair. And it's got oh, my throat. And it's got little hints of purple in it, so it's perfect. But I do go over the top with some other glitter. So here I'm going in with glitter from Sonia Williams. I love her glitters, I really do. I think this is called Gladrags. Gladrags and tomorrow, Granddad have to sell to buy you. I don't know. Just who remembers that song? It comes in my head every time I get it. So yeah, the most stunning glitter. So gold and purple. I made a gold and purple back in the day. I don't know if you remember, like one of my first videos, I made a gold and purple glitter mix myself, and I loved it. And this one is even better because it's hollow. So I'm just going to apply that on the nail, just building up the coverage. It's quite easy to work with as well, to be fair. I think I go in and out because I'm pretty picky with where my purple are, because there's only a few purple. I was like, I want a bit of purple there, I want a bit of purple there. Has to be even, doesn't it? So yeah, you can just watch me faff around doing that. So the ring finger is going to be a full nail of perfect peach, sorry, because we're going to do a leopard print design on it. So we just want a nice base of nude. Gotta be honest, I do find perfect peach tricky to work with. I think just because it's so pigmented, but it's such a lovely colour. I've had worse, believe me. But yeah, I do find it a little bit tricky. I don't know if it's because it sets a little bit faster than usual. But yeah, I was having to faff around with it a little bit more than I would normally with other colours. But it was worth it because it's such a stunning colour. So I'm doing a full nail of that on the ring finger. So the pointer finger is going to be a full, no it's not, it's going to be a glitter fade. So I'm using peach, perfect peach. I can only say peach sorbet, but it's not. Perfect peach at the cuticle area. Nudge that all into place, blend down, and then I'm going to get that glitter and blend the glitter down and create a nice glitter fade. So just to speed up my video a little bit, otherwise it's going to be 55 hours long, I'm just going to speed through me capping, because you have seen me do it a million times. So I'm just going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. I know some people are like, why do you cap a nude when it's a strength powder? I just like to. I don't know why. I feel like it just blends everything out. I don't know. I've got no answer for it, but I just like to do it. So I'll just let you watch that. And also the thumb is just going to be a full now of that ultraviolet. So I'll just speed through this part as well. So now we're going to file them into shape, get them nice and crisp. I've kind of done all the work at the start, got the shape nice. So there's not much I had to do here, but yeah, I've said before, haven't I? But I'm going to say it again. Love shaping stilettos. You literally can't go wrong. So yeah, once I've done that, I'll then come in with my Efile and I'll whiz over the surface of the nail, debulk everything and flatten out the cuticle area, and then we are going to be ready for our leopard print design and top coat. So here I've got a dotting tool and I'm just picking up another nude. It's just a little bit of a couple of shades darker than the perfect peach. Just doing like some unshaped blobs on the nail randomly. I usually do about four or five. I think I do 4. She'll cure that. This is just Elite 99, I think. It's just an old colour I found. So yeah, I'll cure that for like 30 seconds and then she'll come out and I use my black to create the little whatever this is called. So this black is from Miss You. Oh, Miss You. Oh, I miss you. I miss you, Miss You. Do I say that wrong or is it actually called Miss You? Like, I miss you. Because I always think I'm saying it wrong. So yeah, I'm just going to go round. I like to just go round each of the sides like that and then just do one blob. Done. And then I'll do random little 2 bits and 1 blob wherever I feel needs it. When I first start doing leopard print, I think, oh my god, it's awful. And then once you finished it, it always looks so good. So if you feel like it looks horrible, wait until the end because it does come to life and looks great at the end. Have faith in yourself. So then we've done a full cure for 60 seconds and now we're going in with top coat. So I'm using the Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine top coat and just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. She'll cure that for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp. I'll apply Naff Stuff's Cinnamon Apple to just get that Christmassy smell at least. And yeah, that is a set complete. So I do hope you enjoy this video. I'm sorry that I've coughed throughout and keep swallowing and just sound horrendous. But I have got a cough. And this has been a bit of a struggle to talk. Whatevs. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.